Welcome to Bambi Baby. We're going to talk today about the UPPAbaby Mesa Car Seat, and we're going to start by installing the base first. Very, very simple. To adjust the pitch of the base in your car, push the gray button up on top, and you can adjust the height depending on the angle you require in your car. To connect the anchors in place, push the orange button above, pull the strap, connect it into place. Same thing on the other side. Push the orange, connect to the base. This is a ratcheting seatbelt system where you slide it all the way in. You can hear the ratchet. Just put pressure to get it down and you get a green up on top. If you wanted to do a seatbelt install with this base, flip it open, run the seatbelt underneath this track, connect it to the other side, bring it down and lock it in place. To grab your infant car seat, it's very, very simple to connect it onto the base, but let's talk a little bit about the harness. This has a no-thread re-harness where you can just slide up the headrest. It's a red push button, very easy chest clip to undo. If you wanted to use it in an Uber, you can run a seatbelt through here without necessarily needing the base, but very simple to connect to the car by just lining it up and locking it in place. This bar can flip out so you can have full access. You can flip it back up to bring it up and over. To remove from the base, it detaches from the rear. So you slide it up and it comes right off. Very easy to connect to your stroller. The UPPAbaby Mesa comes in many different colors. Visit BambiBaby.com and you can see.